Hey guys, so as you can see, we are on the motorcycle. Yes, I'm so happy. This is the third time I've had it out. The first time was when it was delivered. The second time was actually a couple days ago. And what actually happened was there was so much snow still on the ground. And with the combination of the sun and the warmer temperatures, every single road was wet. So the combination of the wetness and just wet everywhere, I couldn't really make a video because my helmet kept getting all dirty and it was just a disaster. So the motorcycle got crazy dirty too, but that's a story for another day. So I do apologize. Right now I do have probably a line here and a line here. I am back in the good old grandfather days of vlogging. I have the camera stuffed in my helmet right now. And that's because I just have not invested in a GoPro yet, but I will. And the videos, or the quality of the video, actual video, will be better in the near future. So please just bear with me for the time being right now, if those lines are there. But yeah, I am so excited to be on the bike. I'm loving it. It's great. It's everything I remember it to be. But I'm gonna keep you guys guessing. I'm not gonna tell you any more about the bike because I actually want to share with you what happened to me last week, or a destination where I was at. So kind of cycling back one little bit right here. I am actually in Miles Standish State Forest, which, if you guys remember many moons ago, was one of my very first happy places that I took you guys to. So it's actually two of my happy places. The other one is that lake that's in here, which is it's actually kind of in back of me. You really can't see it right now, but this forest holds two happy places to me. And what actually happened was, last week I took a trip up to New Hampshire, Franconia Notch State Park, which is about 4 hours away from me. So I took a trip up there to go see the basin, which is right off of Route 93 or Route 3 up in New Hampshire. And I'm going to show you guys the video of all this. But I went up there just to see the basin. I really had no plans, no ambitions, except just to kind of get out of the house and go for a drive, which I did. But I actually ended up going for a hike. So I explained this a little bit further in the video, but this place, this trail, and Franconia State, or Franconia Notch State Park, actually hold the next happy place. So what I want to...
Hey guys, how's it going? So I just did a 3-mile hike. I am in New Hampshire right now. I started down at the basin, which, depending on how I do this video, is going to be showing you guys a happy place of mine. But I decided to keep hiking up. I haven't hiked up this trail the entire way at all. So I finally decided today was the day, and this is where it brought me. I'm standing on a lake, and as you can see in the distance there, that I believe is Mount Washington, which is the highest point in the Northeast, the highest mountain. And that little area right there, I'm pretty sure, is Tuckerman's Ravine. I could be wrong. I'm going to have to double check all this. My phone's not working. As I was saying, I hiked up from over that way out of the woods. My battery actually just died. It is still pretty cold right now. I think it's in the upper 30s. It's March 10th. But when I'm in the sun, the sun is hiding over that way. When I'm in the sun, it actually feels pretty warm. I was hiking up the trail in basically a t-shirt because I was kind of little. It was rough going. I haven't done this much strenuous labor in a few months, but yeah, it's an awesome day. As you can see, there's absolutely no clouds in the sky, which is a rarity, I guess, for this area. All sorts of crazy weather happens up in the Notch, as they call it, where this mountain and where I am right now. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm going to share with you guys some pictures and some video of my hike up and also my hike down. Hopefully I make it down and I don't die on the way. But so guys, I am about 1.5 miles down, or this says 1.3 miles down from where I just was at the lake at the top, which was the Lonesome Lake. That sounds kind of depressing, but the whole way you hike up, it's a pretty good slide right there. The whole way you hike up or down to get to that lake is next to this this river, or basically it's falls, I guess you could say. It's Cascade Falls. So it's all snowed over and iced up right now, except for some spots. I was just quiet there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the water going underneath this. I'm pretty sure this is a footbridge, because I don't know how you would cross over to keep going up the trail that way in the summertime. But it's pretty neat. It's pretty awesome. Like I said when I was up at the top, I am the only one on this trail. I don't know if this is kind of a little gem, and everybody else. It's very quiet, and I don't know. You get to take breaks if you need to, or just kind of sit, chill out, and enjoy the scenery. So guys, I made it back down to the basin. So basically what the basin is this giant pothole, for lack of a better word, that got carved out of this giant piece of granite here from the river. So in the wintertime it's pretty neat. I mean, obviously you can see it's all encased in ice there, but the water's still moving pretty quick. I have a couple pictures I'll probably share this summertime, but it's pretty nice. So yeah, the basin's only about a 10 to 15 minute walk off the parking lot, off the highway, which runs through the woods there. So yeah, this is my happy place 5.25, 5.1.
So yeah, that video, I know I misspoken there a couple times, and my video, or my camera, kept dying because of how cold it was, so I'm sorry how that got all piecemealed together. But that holds a happy place. So where I want to take you guys next is, next couple videos I'm going to describe to you more about my love for this motorcycle and back being in the motorcycle game. But two, I'm really hoping to kind of keep this channel going with the aspects, or with the respect of showing you guys my happy places. And obviously I'm taking you guys on a ride right now, but I really want to be showing you the places that I've been the last 5, 6, 7 years, because I can tell you I've added a ton of happy places to the list of happy places. I would love to share them with you. Some are really close by to me, some of them further away, but I'm going to continue with the happy place videos, just the fun, good-natured comedy videos. I'm sure there will be some dancing and stuff involved in the near future, but I would like to just throw out there that I really appreciate you guys kind of welcoming me back. You guys were great in that last video. I loved all the comments and the support. It's a very warm feeling that so many of you enjoyed my videos so long ago and are looking forward to me doing them now in the future. So like I said, I'm going to improve the camera quality. It's going to be great in the future, and I love you guys. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Peace out.
Wave Madre.